You're watching XPTV.
Yeah, no town is perfect. We have our share of domestic violence, some burglaries, but for the most part it's pretty clean.
Espero que estés allá contento todo solo con tu Windows XP.
Tú también sola, contenta con tus Windows XP.
Now for an update on that oil spill is Action News reporter Lyle Kent.
Yeah, so I got Windows XP last week.
Really? You like it?
Lyle, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's great. I can play video games on it and show my DVD
Lyle?
movies. It's pretty terrific.
Lyle, go ahead if you can hear.
God, when are they coming to me?
Don't know.
How's my hair look?
He's
You
not
look
hearing
fine.
me.
I got a date tonight.
Tell that imbecile he is on. Lyle?
Yeah, with Sheila. You know
Lyle?
Sheila?
Oh, yeah.
Lyle.
Okay, everyone, time for a family meeting. This is our new computer. And it's got Windows XP on it, with all of its connected home features. Why, that means we can have multiple user accounts on a single PC. And we can easily restrict access, so Tommy can't see the pictures Aunt Ruth sent of her giving birth.
I'm told we've solved our technical problems with Lyle Kent, who has more on that oil spill.
It's got this thing called remote desktop, so I can access all my apps and documents on my machine at work. I don't miss anything when I'm out here on the road.
Does he hear me?
Growing old while I'm waiting for him to cut to me.
And now we go to Marilyn Banks, who has an update on the release of Windows XP.
Hear about that oil spill?
Marilyn,
It was bad.
let's try Lyle Kent again on that oil spill story.
You know, I have a date at 4:30. I'm supposed to meet Michelle, the intern. You know the one I'm talking about with the...
I think I heard Marilyn say something. Marilyn?
Are we live yet?
No, not yet.
I'm going to practice my intro.
Sure, go ahead.
Yes, Kathy, Windows XP is the big story. Which has some notable advances in help and support, mobile computing,
Marilyn, we can hear you.
and some really cool stuff, such as easy home networking. No way!
Marilyn!
That is cool! Jeez, I hadn't even read that part yet.
Any questions?
Yeah. What's a computer?
Mark, you've been reading too many of those science fiction magazines.
Hey, this report could get me Kathy's job at the anchor desk.
Really?
Yeah, I heard they might get rid of her.
Marilyn!
She's got an anger management problem.
Daddy, are you a space alien?
Katie, wouldn't you like to use a scanner?
Oh, stand by. They're coming to us.
Okay.
Thanks for watching XPTV.